Hey guys, Selena again, back with another video. Today I'll be speaking about something I'm very passionate about. It's actually a crucial step to styling that I believe everyone needs to know about, because I've had a lot of feedback from everyone saying, oh my god, like I've tried your tutorials, but they just like don't seem to work. Like you just make it look so easy. Okay, so I will try my best to guide you through every single step, element, and tips and tricks to help you with future styles and tutorials. So we are going to start from step 1, which is extremely crucial that I think most people kind of skip, you know, with their hair tutorials and styling tutorials, because they kind of assume that you already have dry hair before you start, you know, like styling your hair. So today, we are actually going to go down to basics and start off with, ta-da, blow drying. Blow drying is a crucial step to pre-styling your hair, because if you've got a fringe, if you've got cowlicks, you know, if you want body, if you want volume, having the right hair dryer to begin with freaking helps. It really does. Today I'll be speaking about one of my favorite tools. I have been using this guy for over a decade now, because why use anything else when you have the best? Anyway, I've had this bad boy, my Parlux, since like, it's been over a decade. This guy's actually been kicking on for like, I think 8 years now. And the one before that actually is still alive. It's just at my mum's house, my little pink one. So she's got that at hers. This stays in my personal bathroom. And obviously if you come and see me as a client, you will always see me use a Parlux. And today I'm super excited because I have the brand new freaking Parlux Alyon blow dryer, which I will be unraveling for you to see. And we will also be doing a live demo on this. Now, blow drying is a crucial step to styling, as I said before. You know, if you're trying to create these massive glam freaking curls with lots of body, and you've just walked out the shower and you've got dripping wet hair and you've just towel dried it and let it go, you know, dry naturally. What do you think is going to happen when you try to curl it? You're not going to get, you know, big glamorous catwalk hair if you've just stepped out the shower and towel dried it and let it dry naturally. You know, if you're a dude and you want a big nice quiff, or you just want it to sit really nicely and you've got like, you know, cowlicks or whatnot at the front, if you're going to towel dry your hair and just stick wax in it, it's not going to sit how you want it to. So blow drying is a crucial step to styling, and you will see why in a second. So without getting into too much of the boring sciencey stuff, basically there are positive and negative ions that can either make your hair frizzy or nice and smooth. This blow dryer has advanced technology that has the perfect amount of ions to create beautiful, you know, shine, smoothness, and really give you that beautiful finish to your hair. So without further ado, let's unravel this bad boy. I'm so excited. Okay, so we are going to take off the first layer. Guys, I'm loving this packaging. Like, look how expensive. Like, girl, that's like, I don't even know, like, what to compare it to. Like taking the wrapper off a Kinder Surprise and being like, ah. Okay, so let's open this guy up. Oh my god, I love it. So for all of you that don't know, Parlux is actually made in Italy. So we all know everything that's made in Europe is bing. Oh my god, it smells great. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of the box. Oh my god, knowing my life, I'm going to drop it. So obviously Parluxes have always been super lightweight. That is why I use them on the salon floor. I will throw a tantrum if there's not one on the salon floor. I refuse to use any other dryer because I will legit be like, nah, Mr. Burns by now if I've been using a heavy ass blow dryer all this time. This dryer comes with 2 different size nozzles. For some reason, I've always preferred to use the smaller one for home or myself. And I prefer the bigger one when I'm doing clients. I always use a nozzle when I blow dry. I know some people like to use it without, but I just feel like you're just kicking hair around everywhere. Girl. I like to have control. Therefore, you can blow dry your hair in any direction, really push your hair into place. And this is exactly 456 grams, like super light, you guys. Like you can take this traveling with you, you can take it anywhere you like. It's super lightweight, it's not gonna take up much room in your luggage if you do travel. And also, if you have curly hair, we have not forgotten about you, girl. So the Parlux Alyon also comes with a diffuser as well. Cute, cute, cute. Oh, fancy. Oh, you fancy, huh? So if you have curly hair and you diffuse dry your hair, you just pop that guy on the end and diffuse away. Oh my God. So something I just really wanted to touch base on quickly are the settings. There are 4 temperature settings on here, 2 speed controls, and an instant cool button. So this is legit designed for all hair types. You know, if you know anything about skincare, you use warm water to open up your pores, and then you use cold water to close down those pores. Same concept with hair, you guys. So if you've ever had me blow dry your hair, you will always feel me use the cool setting right at the end to really seal down the follicles and the cuticles of your hair to give it that nice finish. And you know, even when we curl hair, what do I always say? I'm gonna let the curls cool down before I brush them out. Cooling is essential. Also, fun fact, there is 2,400 watts of power in this bad boy and a whopping 3,000 hour lifespan. I mean, girl, you ain't gonna be using your blow dry for that long, but still, it's good to know, and as a stylist, that is bomb. Anyway, also another thing that I wanted to quickly show you guys is, you know, if you're a little bit fancy and extra like me, there are also 8 amazing cute colors, you guys. You can match it to your tools or your bathroom. I have picked personally for myself graphite only because, I don't know, I just feel like it's super classy, and that chromey bit on the rim, living. I don't know why I'm doing that because it's a bit weird. But anyway, we are going to be using this bad boy, so let's get started. You guys, I even washed my hair for you. That's how dedicated to this process I am for you guys. Now we're gonna plug in the brand new, never been used Alyon's Parlux. Oh my God, it's like Christmas Day. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Santa. All right, let's get this going. Let's see. Better not break it before I start using it. All right, so I just plugged it in. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Are you guys ready? Wow. All right, let's take this turban off. Alright, let's do it. So just really quickly, hot tip, when I blow dry my hair, I kind of do what you just saw, like kind of flick, you know, all the hairline and the crown as much as I can, and then for the rest of the blow dry, I actually tip my whole head upside down, and with the direction of the heat flowing downwards, whilst my head is upside down, that is going to create body and lift by the time I flip it back up. So I don't know how I'm gonna do filming this, but we're gonna try. All right, let's go. And there you guys have it, freshly blow dried hair with my brand new Parlux Alyon dryer. Now normally I do put a bit of product in my hair before I blow dry it, but for the sake of this video, I chose not to. I just wanted you guys to see the finish of this with just the dryer itself. No product, no further heat styling. Like, how amazing is that? Obviously you can leave it like so, or now we've got the perfect foundation. We've got body, we've got root lift, we've got shine, we've stretched out the hair. So now whatever we do after this is going to last a lot longer, I promise you. Whether we straighten it, curl it, wave it, whatever, because we've prepped it correctly, 100% is gonna last longer. And also, thanks to using the right tools, it's also going to give you the nicest finish and again, last a lot longer. Massive, massive shout out to Parlux Australia for my new updated Parlux. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys to you for always tuning in, for all your love and support. Thank you so much. And there will be plenty more tips and tricks to come. Obviously, like products and stuff have a lot to play with styling as well, but we won't go into that today. I just wanted to start off with something simple, but also extremely crucial. And yeah, plenty more to come, you guys. Love you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share, and also follow me on Instagram. Love you. Namaste. Bye.